Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this Vande Bharat Express over here. So let's continue it. So we'll be taking few more references over here for the modeling of this. So let's just first complete this, the bogie part. So how we are going to create this bogie part. So very first of all, I'll again go over here into this view and let's take a box over here. So I'll be just taking a box. So after taking a box, I'll slightly just shuffle this box over here. I'll go into the side view. So convert to editable poly. Select the vertices. I'll slightly just shuffle this over here. And now I'll push this further over here. So let's put some edge loops over here. So let's put some edges over here. So I'll just go into this and I'll add some connect to it. Select the vertices. Slightly just push this up the same way. So now select this edges over here. So select this edges and slightly you can assign some chamfer over here. Let's click OK. So I'll slightly shuffle this and push it in this way. So if you want, you can just shuffle it and push it in that way. Very simple. So now what I'll be doing over here is like, let's add again some swift loops over here. So I'll add some swift loop over here and select the polygons. So select this polygons. So select this polygons and let's slightly give a bit of extrude over here. So we can slightly assign a bit of extrude. I'll again shift it back a bit. Now the same way we'll be just duplicating that. Again I'll put two connects over here. So I'll go into the front view over here. I'll select this and I'll slightly shuffle this till here. I'll shuffle this till here. Select this edges. So let's give two connects over here. So make sure whenever you are using this, it should be in line with this. So again select this whole edges. Slightly I'll just push this down. Alright. So once you are done over here, so again select this polygons, and if you want I can slightly give a bit of inset over here. So we are not defining that many details right now over here. So we do have, if you want we can use this. Already we have defined the window over here, so we don't need to define anything else now. Again I'll go over here, I'll put one more loop. So select the vertices, again select this polygons, and slightly give a bit of extrude over here. So the same way we are working, we are not doing any kind of change over here. I'll just add the same material. So I'll just add the same material. I'll save the file once again over here. So now again I can just go over here. Let's select this, make a copy of it. So I'll just duplicate it over here. And again take one more duplicate over here. So we are going to repeat this again. So now again I'll go over here and let's take the whole copy of it. Just exclude this, just exclude this. So exclude this all, and let's take one more copy. So I'll take a copy of it. So if you look at it, we need to extend this again a bit. Slightly just push this till here. So I can slightly shuffle this a bit out. Select this on the top view, shuffle it out and push this a bit wider. So select this, so I'll just take this again, I'll delete it. So select this, again go into this view over here and let's adjust it accordingly. So select this again and let's duplicate this right away over here. The same way what we have done. So now what I can do over here is like, we can definitely close this area if required. or we can just keep it right now like this only. We won't touch that. So let's go on duplicating this again. So before we duplicate it, now we need to create the details over here also. We need to do that. So although we have done few of the details, but the door section is just left over here. So let's just select this. Select this. Now we have selected the wrong polygons. You can just select this. So before that, I can again select this vertices. So select this vertices. You can just select this. Vertices over here. Let's isolate the selection. So select this and we'll slightly push it a bit inside. Like this. So just end isolate this again. So select the polygons. So the select the polygons and slightly extrude it out a bit, not much, and click OK. So you need to create a window also over here. So I can just select this part and let's give a bit of inset. Click OK. That's it. So let's again go into this view over here. So let's just save the file once and again select this whole thing, excluding this, excluding this, excluding this. So let's just deselect this. And let's mirror it. Copy this in y-axis and slightly just push it in this way. looks much better now. So what I've done is I've just duplicated this over here, so that is much easier for us. So let's again duplicate this right away over here. We don't need this over here right now. So I'll just delete this again over here. So definitely you can make more bogies over here for this. Let's go to the top view, take a line tool. I'll just drag a line over here, enabling viewport, make it rectangular, reduce its length, and slightly just push it in this way. So convert to poly, select this edges, let's give one connect over here. Select this, slightly scale back, and just duplicate it. That's it. So this is just for example. Again, take a box over here. So just take a box over here. And let's just make the duplicate of it. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.